Okay, so today we're going to make some salt dough, and we're going to use this salt dough for some of our other makes later on, so stay tuned to the channel for some more makes. But this is how to make your basic salt dough. So what we need to do, I've got some old flour that you can't use in cooking anymore. So I need 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 cups of flour, and then I need 1 cup of salt. Then I need 1.5 cups of hot water, so I'm just going to go and get some hot water. Ready? That's 1.5. Okay, then I'm going to stir it round to start with. Stir it all up together. Then I'm going to get my hands in. Knead it all around my hands. Okay, so then you're left with a nice little ball of dough like that, and come back tomorrow and we're going to make something exciting with it. Bye!